Today, I'll walk you through how to use the Shortcode widget in Elementor, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate shortcodes into your Elementor pages, so you can enhance your website's functionality with ease. First, let's dive into the Elementor editor. To start, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and click on the page you want to edit with Elementor. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a vibrant interface where you can customize your page layout. Now take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Elementor updates frequently, and the core functionality remains the same. Next, let's find the Shortcode widget. Click on the search bar located at the top of the Elementor panel and type in Shortcode. This search function is like a treasure map, guiding you to the tools you need. Once you see the Shortcode widget appear, you're ready for the next step. Now, drag the Shortcode widget from the panel and drop it onto your desired section of the page. Think of this as placing a puzzle piece in the right spot to complete your picture. After you've placed the widget, it's time to enter your shortcode. Click on the widget to open its settings, and in the text area, paste or type your shortcode. This is where the magic happens. Shortcodes can pull in various functionalities, such as forms, galleries, or even custom scripts. Once you've entered your shortcode, look for the Apply button and click it. This step is crucial, as it tells Elementor to process the shortcode and display the corresponding content on your page. Now take a moment to preview your changes. Click on the eye icon at the bottom of the panel to see how your shortcode looks on the live page. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, just give it a few seconds to load. And there you have it, you've successfully used the Shortcode widget in Elementor. This powerful feature allows you to enhance your website without needing extensive coding knowledge. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.